Hey guys, so in my previous video, I talked about one of my favorite Korean cold noodles that I highly recommend. In this video, I wanted to share with you my other favorite pack of instant pad thai noodles that I got on Amazon. The link is provided in the description box below so you can get it and try it too. Now, just letting you know that this isn't going to taste exactly like the pad thai at restaurants, but the seasoning that it comes with is tasty nonetheless. If you're looking for a pretty convenient and fast way to make pad thai quick, this Mama brand is great. I love their pork flavor too. The noodles cook within just a few minutes. I do drain most of the water after boiling it, but I leave a little in there so it dissolves the powder seasoning more easily as I mix it with the noodles. Put in some additional ingredients if you like. I add green onion and sometimes chicken or beef too. And there you have it. Let me know what you think. It's also great for the price. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.